Hi, my name is Jevon, and I made my grade checker. My goal was to automatically check the gradebook for grade updates. My user interface will tell the user if there is a change and print change, or if there's no change and would print no change. I use Python and a bunch of other things. Tested about 60 times. We think I would make it more practical and universal to any user instead of only working with my own gradebook. How it works is that it just says here no change because it is checking my gradebook and it is telling you that there's no change in the gradebook. Now I'm done.
Okay. Anybody have any questions? Jevon?
No, you don't have a question.
Yes, I do.
You're not supposed to have a question.
I absolutely am supposed to have a question.
What's your question?
What was the hardest part of your project?
It's easy.
Okay. All right, everyone give him a round of applause.